If you've been posting on social media the same way you always have, then stop. Times have changed and you need to adapt and change with it. This is what you need to be posting now. Ever since TikTok took over as the #1 visited site in the world, all the other social media platforms have been playing catch up. Several months ago, we told you that you needed to start doing Reels, the vertical TikTok style videos. Well, now I'm here to tell you that's pretty much all you should be focusing on. There's still a place for stories, regular posts, and horizontal videos. But if you aren't doing Reels, you're missing out on thousands and tens of thousands of views on your posts. And the more views you get, the closer you get to your next new client. Vertical video is here to stay, so it's time that you get on board before it's too late and you miss out on the insane growth we're seeing right now. The views rate of your old style posts is dropping every day as more and more people are consuming video in the Reels format. To give you an example, we posted a recent Real Estate Marketing Minute video to our Instagram page, both as a reel and as a standard horizontal video. The standard post got 28 views and 1 like, which is fairly consistent with our other posts. The Reels version that we posted, get this, got 5,550 views and 132 likes. That's almost 200 times more views, which means that many more people are being exposed to our brand. And that's the thing. Social media is a branding play. You're showing potential clients who you are and how you do business. So it makes sense to get as many people to view and engage with your posts as possible. That's why you need to be doing Reels. We can help. Reach out and let's discuss your marketing plan and how we can help you get more clients and more sales. At Servant 360, we feel realtors shouldn't have to put up with inconsistent results from their marketing providers. And that's why we provide consistent quality photos, floor plans, virtual tours, and videos that help realtors just like you sell more houses faster and for more money. Help us spread the word by liking, subscribing, and sharing these videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, it's our pleasure to serve.